Welcome back. In this video, let us understand how we can connect to one computer from another computer. Let us give a name for this target computer as target, and let me give the name for the another computer, which is the computer from where you will be accessing the target computer. This computer is called source computer. Now I wanted to connect and take a remote desktop session of target computer from the source computer. From here, I wanted to access the target computer. There might be multiple reasons why you wanted to do this, just to take the session and access the computer, or you wanted to install any operating system files or applications and you wanted to do some kind of troubleshooting on the target machine. You wanted to take the remote desktop. In Windows, there is something called as a remote desktop. So now I wanted to connect from source to the target. To do that, I have to connect to the target computer. The target computer IP address is 192.168.126.155. This is the target machine to which I wanted to take the remote desktop session. Let me connect and see if I am able to connect, or is there any issues while connecting. By simply entering the IP address, you should be able to connect, or there should be a prompt to provide the user ID and password to access your target machine. Now it says there is a problem connecting. So the error says there is a problem connecting to the target machine. Connecting to the target machine can be of different problem. Let us see one by one. First, let us look into the command prompt. I open the command prompt and I will ping 192.168.126.155. This is the target machine which I wanted to connect. So let me ping. The connection is fine and I am able to ping to the target machine. The next thing is you open the MSTSC or remote desktop connection and enter the IP address and see whether the IP address has been entered correctly. 192.168.126.155. So this is the IP address which I used to ping, and this is the same IP address which I am using to connect to the machine. So connect. It is taking too much of time. It should not take too much of time, that too this much of time. So let us click OK, and there is an error again. So it seems there is some problem with the target machine. Let us identify what is the problem with the target machine and why we are not able to connect from the source machine. The source machine is demolab02 and its IP address is 192.168.126.156. Let me go to the target machine. So this is the target machine. I'll open the command prompt and I have this IP address 192.168.126.155, and from here I'll go to the settings and Go to System. In the bottom, you will see there is an option called Remote Desktop. Click on the Remote Desktop and you see this option is not enabled. Enable this option and turn on the Remote Desktop connection. Confirm. Now I have enabled the Remote Desktop connection. So let us go back to the source machine and try to access the target machine, which is demo-win01. So now I am into the source machine. I will connect to the target machine again. I will open the remote desktop connection prompt again and enter 192.168.126.155. I am able to get the prompt to connect to the target computer. If I enter the user ID of the target machine, I should be able to access the target machine. Yes, I am able to connect to the target machine, demo-win01. So this is the target machine. I am able to access the target machine now. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.